Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start now, park, engage the brake, and make sure the oil change is finished because the light only resets after service. With the cluster showing ODO/trip, keep the trip/odometer button in hand. Once done, press and hold the trip button, then press the ignition to on, do not start the engine. You'll feel a pause, hold steady. This sequence primes the car to enter the maintenance reset mode so the cluster can accept the new signal. Once the ignition is on and you're holding the trip button, continue holding for roughly 10 seconds. This is the complex, decisive step. During this time, the display will change, look for flashing dashes, zeros, or the maintenance message disappearing. That visual cue confirms the ECM and dash have exchanged the reset command. Make sure to keep the button depressed until the indicator clearly changes. If you release too soon, the system won't register the reset, and you'll need to repeat the steps. After the display cleared, turn the ignition OFF, wait a few seconds, then start the engine to verify the oil light stays off. That confirms success. If the light returns, repeat the reset sequence once more and confirm the oil change was done with the correct oil and filter. If it still won't reset, try checking battery voltage or scan with an OBD-ROMAN2 tool. Low battery or stored fault codes can prevent the reset. If needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.